In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails in Gmail with large attachments. If you've been using Gmail for a while, you might notice that your storage space is slowly filling up. A large part of that could be due to hefty email attachments that you've received over the years. This tutorial will show you an easy method to identify and delete these emails, thereby freeing up valuable space in your Gmail account. First, we need to find those large emails. Open up your Gmail and locate the search bar at the top. Here's a neat trick. Type in has attachment larger 10M. This search command will filter out all emails with attachments that are larger than 10 megabytes. It's a quick way to pinpoint bloated emails that are gobbling up storage. By adjusting the 10M to any other number, you can customize the search to fit your needs, seeking out emails with attachments of any size that you prefer. Now that you've got your list of oversized emails, let's go through the process of deleting them. You'll see a number of emails displayed that match your search criteria. To select all emails on the displayed page, click the checkbox located at the top of the list. This is particularly handy if you have a large set of emails to go through. However, if your search yields more emails than can be shown on one page, look out for an option that reads, "Select all conversations that match this search." Clicking this will ensure that every email captured by your search will be selected, not just those on the current page. After selecting the emails, the next step is to delete them. You can do this by simply clicking on the trash can icon. This action moves the emails to the trash folder. Although remember, they are not yet permanently gone and will still occupy space in your Gmail account until deleted from the trash. Moving forward to the final step, we need to permanently delete these emails from the trash. Head over to the trash label located in the left sidebar of your Gmail interface. Once you're in the trash folder, you'll see an option called Empty Trash Now. Clicking this will permanently erase all the emails and their attachments, thus liberating your storage space. Make sure you're absolutely certain before choosing this action, as a confirmation prompt will appear to ensure that this is what you intend to do. And there you have it, a straightforward method to delete emails with large attachments in Gmail. Regularly performing this task can greatly assist with maintaining a tidy inbox and optimizing storage. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your Gmail more efficiently.